Alicia, 21. Your Miss Bacolod Masquerade number 7.
This moment now, in this place right here, the bright and colorful
officially the Masquerade Festival season. My name is Sumela Amoroso, and with a big smile, I am excited to celebrate this year's Masquerade Festival. And we all welcome all of you for this year's Masquerade Festival for 2024 MBM Talent Competition. Of course, this celebration is made possible by the following: Bacolod City officials, headed by Mayor Albi Benitez; Masquerade Festival 2024 Chairperson, Mr. Georgie Dincong; Bacolod Home Foundation Incorporated, headed by their President, Miss Catherine Matiling; our media partners, Ayala Malls Capital Central; Northwest Inn, our official hotel partner for Miss Bacolod Masquerade 2024; and of course, to all of our dear sponsors, madamo gid nga salamat. And to everyone who cannot join with us here today physically, we are currently live on Facebook via Bacolod Foundation's official Facebook page, Music Education at the College of Mascara, West Visayas State University with a specialization in voice. He is a national and regional trainer in music and arts and was awarded with Gawad Parangal's Most Outstanding Teacher in Mapping by the Schools Division of Capiz from 2019 to 2024. An outstanding teacher and trainer at Maayon Elementary School in Capiz. Please welcome Mr. Leo Durana. Our next judge is a pageant director in Maayon. He is also the president of the Council of Physical Educators in Region 6 from 2019 until the present. He was formerly the artistic director of Silak Dance Company, who currently works as a civil registrar of the municipality of Maayon. Please welcome the president of the Filipino Folk Dance Society South Capiz chapter, Mr. Marcelo J.C. Diaz. For our final judge, she is an arts manager, cultural worker, and theater director. She is also the executive director of the Negros Museum, founder or artistic director of TEJ Performance Laboratory, and the head of the Culture and Arts program of the University of St. Lazal Bacolod. She is responsible for organizing or managing some of the leading art festivals in the region, such as the Curis Theater Festival, the Virgin Lap Fest in the Visayas, the Cine Negrense, Bacunawa, and most recently, the Bacolod Film Festivals. She has also been implementing programs of the National Commission for Culture and the Arts and Cultural Center of the Philippines. She recently received the Presidential Leaf Award on Arts Management and Cultural Preservation for her work in the region. Let us all welcome on stage Miss Tania Lopez. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big warm round of applause to our judges once more. Nagkamugin ka, salamat. And we haven't officially begun the Mascara celebration, but the quest for the Sapphire Crown has already begun. And we are already, take note of this, we are already in the first round of our competition for this year's Miss Bacolod Mascara 2024. I don't want to keep everyone waiting, so let's begin the talent competition with Miss Bacolod Mascara number 1, Ella Gozon.
Hi, I'm Ella Gozon, Miss Bacolod Mascara candidate number 1. I first learned to play the lyre in elementary school, but while taking other credits, a song about racing to modernity, and a reminder that everyone has its own perfect timing. This performance is about rediscovering what makes me smile, and I hope it brings a smile to your face too. Thank you. Hi, I'm Ella Gozon, your Miss Bacolod Mascara.
Growing up, I used to suffer from anxiety, self-doubt, and low self-esteem because I was judged, bullied, and discriminated. It was terrifying, but I decided to take a stand and became less concerned with what other people thought and focused on self-improvement. My story is a testimony that you can overcome any obstacle that may have attempted to take your life. And I hope through this, I will be able to inspire people. If I can beat all the battles that tried to make me out, so can you. This victorious me is what makes me smile.
This is a story. Let it go. I need to take back the lines that you stole. You're a criminal, and you steal like you're.
I'm Sophia K. Buzalibasa, your Miss McCullough Mascara number 3. Being a working student requires perseverance and determination. There will be days when I found myself on the brink of giving up, but I always remember why I started in the first place. Spending my own money and buying the things that I want and I need, knowing how hard I worked. I hope that my performance will bring me hope and joy as it makes me smile.
Yes, yes, yes. I know you're all thinking that I only want money. Of course. I like money. I need money. In fact, money makes me happy. Sino ba dito yung ayaw sa pera? Sino ba dito yung hindi masaya kung may pera siya? Oo, di ba? Wala. I know you're all wondering why I like money. Simply because ambisyosa ako. I need money for my studies. I need money for my family. And I need money to provide for myself. Bakit? Because I wasn't born with a golden spoon in my mouth. And I am a product of an unconventional family setup where money doesn't flow easily at home. So, ano pinagagawa ko sa buhay ko? Sumasalamin ng makeup artist, brand ambassador to different companies, pageant here, pageant there, pageant everywhere from north to south. You will hear the name Sophia. At kung tatanungin niyo naman ako kung kamusta ang buhay, malamang mahirap. Pero mahirap ang maging mahirap. At mas mahirap kung wala kang pangarap. Some people might belittle me, misunderstand me, pero dead ba? Ang mahalaga, may pera. At ang mas mahalaga, may dignidad, kredibilidad, at integridad. Bilang isang babae at bilang isang tao. Hala, anong oras pala? May event pa ako? O siya, basta, laban lang at patuloy lang sa pagiging ambisyosa.
Hello, my name is Angelica Gwen C. Tenera, your Miss Bacolod Mascara candidate number 4. I am a proud dance enthusiast who loves the art, the movement, and the thrill of dancing, specifically in dance awards. From a young age, my passion for dance has brought me joy and confidence, much like the Barbie dolls that I cherished in my childhood. And just like Barbie, I've always believed in dreaming big, embracing creativity, and becoming the best version of myself. Today, I'm here to share what truly makes me smile, the freedom to shine and express myself through dancing.
There's a place you can go where your heart is free. There's a rhythm that's right for your soul. Take a breath, find your courage, and make the leap. 'Cause your feet always know where to go. And you're dancing in this flow, in the grace of the perfect design. Stepping out of the dark and into the glow, and the whole world will see when you shine. You can shine. Oh, I'm having so much fun.
Well, Doc, we're just getting started.
Oh, I love you, kid.
Hi, I'm Princess Ella Araneza Almoya, your Miss McCullough Mascara candidate number 5. What makes me smile is the memory of my grandmother and the moments we shared, from my childhood up to my coming of age as a woman in 2022. My Miss McCullough Mascara journey is a tribute to her sacrifices and dedication in raising me. Remembering her not only brings me joy, but also empowers me, knowing I carry the values and lessons she instilled that shaped who I am today. I offer this song as a nod and a tribute to the lessons she imparted, and I honor the most profound gift she passed on to me, singing, transcending barriers by using my voice to leave a mark wherever I go, just as she left hers on my heart.
There's something magical about stepping onto a stage and sharing a piece of myself with the world. You see, the thing that makes me smile the most is the moment I step into the spotlight. Knowing that for the next few minutes, I have the power to uplift, inspire, and bring joy to the audience.
To be human is to feel the weight of joy, sorrow, love, and fate. It's standing tall through storms and strife, embracing the beauty of this fragile life. Carrying a storm inside, invisible to those near. It's quiet, but courageous. A whirlwind of doubt and fear. How do you explain a storm when all they see is light? How do you scream for help when silence hides the fight? Just be happy, they often say, as if joy has a simple switch. But they don't feel the weight I bear, or the thoughts that endlessly switch. So here we are, in this dance of life, through joy and struggle, through love and strife. Being human is a beautiful art, a journey of the soul, a beating heart. Though life may stutter, we go out of style. Dreams may shatter and feel lost for a while. But till then, I'll wait for the sun by the aisle. On that day, I'll be reminded of what makes me smile.
Your Miss McCollum Mascara candidate number 7. When I think of what makes me smile, it's not something grand or far away. It's right here, all around me, in the heart of Bacolod City. It's more than just the sights and sounds that you know so well. Today, I'm inviting you to see it through my eyes, to discover something beyond the ordinary, something truly priceless. Because the true beauty of Bacolod City is worth capturing.
Oh, didn't see you there. Bye, hop on, and welcome to the City of Smiles, Bacolod City. Come on, let me give you a tour with my lens. Oh, and by the way, I am not showing you the tourist spot of Bacolod City. I'm about to show you something much more valuable, the real treasure, the beating heart of Bacolod City. It's not the places, it's the people. Take this for example. Here's now Ariel, a tricycle driver who works tirelessly under the scorching sun. But despite that, he's facing all kinds of hardships. But no matter how tough his day gets, he never forgets to greet everyone with a smile. He is a symbol of resilience, humble, strong, and always smiling, no matter the life challenges he faces. Oh, and here's my personal favorite. Here's Mom Mercy, a master potter whose hands carry the weight of Bacolod's heritage. But of course, there are hard times when fewer people buy handmade pottery. But Nang Mercy never gave up. Even in those moments, she smiled because she knows that what she created isn't just pottery, it's a piece of Bacolod's soul. And she's all the more proud to be its keeper. Oh, and look at these little ones. These kids play with whatever they can get their hands on. A simple game of hide and seek, yet they laugh like they own the world. Their smiles remind us that happiness isn't found in riches, but in the simple is what makes me smile. Kamo nga Bacoladones, the people of Bacolod City, your resilience, your joy, your unwavering spirit. No matter how life tough is, you never forget to smile. And because of that, I too smile. Because that's who we are. We are Bacolod City, the city of smiles. Padayon Bacolodons, and remember, always smile!
Hi everyone, I am Beatricia Alda Peña, your Miss Bacolod Mascara candidate number 8. I used to join a dance troupe way back in high school that focused on preserving traditional arts and folk dances. Through this, I realized and appreciated the beauty and intricacies of our culture. This is especially essential because younger generations have the tendency to feel estranged from their roots because of the pace at which society and technology are evolving. Hence why it's important to remind children of their heritage so they may feel secure in their own skin and be involved in its preservation. I believe that recognizing the triumphs and sacrifices of our ancestors is one way of honoring their memory, connecting us to our past and securing our future. Moreover, it is a celebration of our